we're gonna play hide and seek with my friends. But I use my real as Tagalog. Sa ngayong araw, maglaro kami ng hide and seek. Kami ang hider. Tapos sila naman ang seeker. Pag nahanap nila ako, si Kenneth, matatalo na kami. Pero paglampas na yung timer na yun dun sa hide and seek competition, kami ang nanalo. So stay in the video to enjoy. Alright, the competition has started. We have 45 minutes to hide from them. So stay tuned. Oh my God, the snake destroyed reality itself. Kenneth! Oh my God, this is too insane. Grabe. Oh my God, what the... Alright, this is our view. Ito ang nakikita namin. Asan sila? Where are they? Oh my God! What the fuck? I didn't read. Here again. That's the seeker. That's the seeker. And I'm the hider. Nawa ka sa pera eh.
Anong pira mo, At? Anong pira mo?
I got 20.
Ha?
20.
20? 20? 21? 22?
Vilas.
Hawak.
Oh my God, that was crazy. If you want, pag gusto nyo pa makakita ng mga ganitong mga episode, magano kayo, subscribe. Bye-bye. Magpumuna kayo. Magbilang na kayo.
1. Takbo-takbo. Pipikit kayo habang
Pipikit.
bilang.